In the bright light of day, this beautiful owl sits quietly on a tree branch, looking like a silent observer of the natural world. Daylight is not the most comfortable time for an owl, so it often spends much of the day resting peacefully on a branch, tree trunk, or another safe place. Even while sitting still, its eyes remain aware of the world around it. There is something truly beautiful about this quiet bird. Its large, expressive eyes, soft feathers, and peaceful posture make it one of nature's most fascinating creatures. While the forest is filled with sunlight and activity, this owl seems to live in its own little world, calm, patient, and completely still. Every creature has its own unique way of living, and that incredible diversity is what makes our natural world so beautiful. Stay with us, discover more amazing creatures, and subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking moments from the wild.